It's over there. Yeah. This is C1. Hola. Dear hosts, Vinaka, thank you for receiving us in this traditional way, and thank you for conducting this ceremony as we are here to visit the village of Daku. We have already had a little tour of the improvements that have been done around your village, and it is impressive to see the results. So I wanted to thank you all for your hospitality on behalf of myself and the entire delegation. Vinaka.